Actually, I'm going to discuss about how to join files using Python programming language. So here going to join the files file 1 and file 2. Both you can see CSV tab. So let's copy the location first, and now we need to use with and open method. Inside there, let's pass there the path, and here giving the file name file1.csv. CSV type is there. So let's close, open and close with a single quote. There you need to give double forward slash. So double forward slash that's required. And the next is give here as and fp colon you need to give. Thereafter let's write here file 1 equal to fp dot read. So read method we need to use. Now copy this location, paste there. So next file name you need to give. So next file name is file2. So let's give here the next file name file2 as fp, and here let's give file2 there. So after that the next is going to combine this file1 and file2. So file1 equal to file1 plus file2. So file1 file2 that data that merge and stray into file1. After that going to print the codes. So sorry, going to print the records. So going to print the record inside the desktop. So here desktop location, give here the file name, new file, new file. So this here we need to create the file. So for this one let's give comma and single quote right there w as fp. Thereafter the next is fp that here called write method, and they're going to pass here file 1. So now I'm going to explain this code. So with open this file 1, and in place of this we can write here as fp. So fp now file 1 equal to fp that called read method. So read the data and store into file 1. Then this open file 2, and in place of this we can write here fp. So file 2 equal to fp that read the data of file2.csv, then store into file 2. Then after this 2 record that merge store into file 1, and there that create here new file and fp dot write, and whatever the content there that print. So you need to copy this code and open their command prompt. Let's use here cls right there python. So python 3.12 that using paste this code. So this code is there. So now you can see their raw file here. This is the file 1 contains 10 20 30 60 80 90 90, and this here file 2 content. So 30 and 40 is there. So when I press enter, so here the new file that's created, and here 212 is the size. After that the next is double click this file. So there is one problem, I didn't specify the type. So here what I'm going to do here, let's close this file, new file, and there let's give here extension. So going to give this place extension. So extension that's required. Now let's copy this once again, paste there. So there is no any problem with the code. The new file that's created, this time text new file txt tab that's created there. Now double click. So this is the record. So this is here file 1 records. You can compare file 1 and now this here, this is the file 2 record. So two files that merge and new file created that is stored there. So this is the most simplest code. Okay, you need to write there. So this is the file 1 content, file 2 merge, then here or display the code with the use of write method. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.